The 70th Republic Day Parade will be a dazzling display of woman power with an all-woman Assam Rifles contingent in the lead and a woman officer performing bike stunts on the Rajpath as part of an iconic daredevil team. WION Berlis Bansildan Sibyl spoke exclusively to Captain Shikha Surabhi and Lieutenant Ambika Sudhakaran. Listen in.
Well, as we have been saying that this time around at Republic Day Parade, the focus will be women power, the maximum and the highest representation of women at the Republic Day Parade. With me is Shikha and Ambika, two women officers who will be participating in this year's Republic Day Parade. Ma'am, coming to you first, ma'am, you will be doing the stunts, the daredevil stunts. Do you feel, is it risky? For the viewer at least it seems.
Yeah, initially first time if you'll see, then it feels very risky and dangerous. But because right now if you'll see, you'll feel all these stunts we are performing, you'll feel dangerous. But slowly we have come up to that level. Initially I was also finding it very difficult. But right now I think I'm finding it more confident.
Ma'am, you will be leading the naval contingent, you will be commanding it. And this is for perhaps for the first time this is happening. How do you feel?
We've had seniors in the past also leading the naval contingent, albeit the only time we've had an entire contingent of women was when the theme of Republic Day Parade was Nari Shakti. Apart from that, we've always had women participating in the parade, and for me personally, it's a privilege to be here. And it's something that we've all grown up watching, the Republic Day Parade. So to one day be on Rajpath and salute the Supreme Commander on behalf of your service is a feeling that is unparalleled.
Unparalleled feeling, but unparalleled feeling for the viewer also, who will be watching so many women this time leading the contingent and taking part in the Republic Day Parade. So do you think the glass ceiling, which we all have been talking for last 70 years, has been broken?
Well, it's been a slow but great process. I would say that the glass ceiling that you're talking about has been shattering bit by bit over the years. I would say it isn't completely shattered yet, but I guess we don't even want to reach that level. We are trying, my firm belief is that we are trying to reach a place where women have as much exposure as they are capable of. It's not a question of a gender battle. So as far as they are given the opportunities, which I would say all three services parallelly are doing right now, and it's a great step forward. So in the years to come, you're definitely going to see more and more of women participating in the parades.
Ma'am, what do you have to say on the same question, the glass ceiling, which we all have been talking for many years now?
I think what she said is actually right, but in 2015 if you say the whole Nari Shakti, Army, Air Force, Navy, the whole contingent was of lady officers. But right now you will see in different fields, the contingent commanders in the sense they have increased. The participation of lady officers is increasing day by day, and which is giving us more strength, more enthusiasm, and so everyone is trying hard and hard to beat that, you can say, the glass ceiling.